Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. The palette I'll be using is from Pure and it's the Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll be using Hidden Secret as my transition. Now going with the Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics, I'll be using this pink shade. To cut my crease, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. Using an Alamat Cosmetics brush, I'll be using the shade Exposed. Going back with the shade Hidden Secret, I'll be applying it in the outer corner. Be reapplying the pink shade on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. For the liner on the crease, I'll be using the NYX Cosmetics white liner. For the wing liner, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. The glitter I'll be using is from NYX Cosmetics and I'll be using the shade Crystal and I'm using a Kiss Lash Glue. Mascara, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero. For the waterline, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Pink of Me. Using an Alamat Cosmetics brush, I'll be using the shade Hidden Secret under my lash line. Be reapplying this shade also under my lash line. For the highlight on my brows, I'll be using the shade Exposed. For primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Brush I'll be using is from e.l.f. and it's a small stipple brush. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Superstay in the shade Classic Ivory. Bronzer, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. The brush I am using is from Crown Brush and it's a small contour brush. For my face, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Dulce De Leche palette. For blush, I'll be using the shade Hidden Secret. The brush I am using is from Crown Brush and it's the blush brush. For highlight, I'll be using the shade Twilight. The brush I am using is from Luxie and it's the tapered highlighter brush. For the inner corners, I'll be applying the same shade. For baking powder, I'll be using the Airspun in Naturally Natural. Lids feel a little bit dry, so I'll be applying the Pure Lip Scrub. The lipstick I'll be applying is from Kiss Me and it's in the shade Girlfriend. The next lipstick I'll be applying is from e.l.f. and it's in the shade Precious Metal. Going back with the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, I'll be applying it on the bottom lashes. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and maybe comment down below of what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.